I've got some BMW news for you guys. In this video, we're gonna go over the 2023 BMW M8 retail ordering guides here in Canada. If you're new to my channel, my name's Denver. I'm a client advisor at Parkview BMW. Before I get into all the good content that you came to see, make sure you guys hit the like button on this video, consider subscribing to the channel as well, and let's get into the content.
Okay, so the first page of the product bulletin, main things here that we're looking for is the start of production is going to March 2023. The M8 is still on the S63 engine. Now, moving into the second page of the bulletin, we have three M8 variants. There's the Competition Coupe, the Competition Cabriolet, and the Gran Coupe. The Gran Coupe is going to have the lowest MSRP, while the Cabriolet has the highest MSRP. At least this is the base MSRP figures. Now, comparing to the 2023 model, the Coupe was increased by $2,400, the Cabriolet by $2,900, and the Gran Coupe got a $2,500 increase. Now, paint options stayed the exact same. It's a no charge for any option, as well as all individual paint. So basically, everything is open on the M8. All the upholstery for the M8 has stayed the exact same options from last year, and of course they are no charge options, all of them being the full merino leather. So the M8 has one package option, and that's going to be the premium package. Now, it did receive a price increase. The Coupe went up by $800, Cabriolet up by $300, and the Gran Coupe up by $850. And I also noticed that they removed the ventilated seat option, which is now an individual option. Same with the air collar. Both of those are standalone options now, not part of the package, while the package did increase in price. Then you start to move into the standalone options. The M carbon engine cover, $1,200, just like last wheels. Different wheel options, some are no charge and some have an increase in price. Now the rest of the individual options seem to be staying the exact same as last year. No price increases to any of the items, just the fact that the ventilated seats have been added in as an individual option, and the air collar as well is now an individual option. Now, after the individual options, you go into the standard features for the M8. The M8 comes pretty fully loaded with almost all of the standard features available that are options on a lot of other cars. Now, feel free to take a moment to review all the standard features. The rest of the ordering guide is just going to hop into the different wheel options that are available to order, show you guys what the different wheel numbers look like the 811s versus the 813s. I'm going to give you the wheel size and the tire sizes that are available.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys appreciated this. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you're in the Toronto marketplace and you're looking for a BMW, feel free to send me an email down below. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video.